Happy Money by Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton. Welcome to your booksummary.com. The amount of money you have doesn't have much impact on your happiness. However, having abundant time greatly contributes to your overall sense of well-being. When you feel like you have plenty of time, you are more likely to engage in activities that make you happy, such as exercising. When you're not preoccupied with all the tasks you need to do, you can focus on the present moment. You're generally happier when you can give your full attention to whatever you're doing, even if it's a task that's not particularly enjoyable. Can money help? You can purchase labor-saving devices that reduce your workload and free up your time. Unfortunately, that doesn't always lead to greater happiness. These gadgets often increase feelings of impatience, and you may find yourself desiring even more labor-saving devices. Other purchases may bring little happiness because they cost you time and money. For example, many believe owning a big house in the suburbs is the key to happiness. However, buying a suburban home also means you'll have a longer commute, which is one of the most stressful parts of modern life. You may have to work longer hours to pay your mortgage, which will take longer. To avoid these problems, try turning decisions about money into decisions about time. People often sacrifice their time to save small amounts of money. For example, a connecting flight may be cheaper than a direct one, but think of the hours you'll waste during the layover. Assessing the time-draining potential of a purchase can be challenging. For instance, when considering buying a pool, you may envision days of family swimming fun, but not the hours you'll spend cleaning it. To avoid this, imagine a typical Tuesday when you'll be scooping leaves or working extra hours to pay for the pool instead of picturing the pool's impact during a relaxing Sunday. One counterintuitive trick to increase your sense of time affluence is to give away some of your time. Part of why you feel like you need more time is that you view your time as valuable. People often assume that anything valuable is scarce. If you can afford to spend time doing volunteer work, you'll subconsciously conclude that you must have plenty of it. Helping others will make you feel more capable of tackling your daily tasks. Businesses can use time to increase their employees' satisfaction. For example, Google allows its employees to spend 20% of their time working on any projects they pursue. This enhances employee satisfaction, and some of these independent projects have led to well-known products such as Gmail. Intel and Patagonia have found that offering their employees sabbaticals keeps them more content. Some companies harness the time-multiplying power of volunteering. Home Depot employees give their time and expertise to Habitat for Humanity, helping to build homes for disadvantaged families. These activities increase feelings of time affluence and job satisfaction. I hope you found the information about Happy Money by Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.